If you're exploring multi-factor authentication in Office 365, chances are that you'll need to set up an app password. An app password is a unique code that is used to authenticate and connect an external app with your Office 365 account. Before going any further, please ensure that your administrator has enabled two-step verification for your organization. Once you have confirmation, simply log in to your Office 365 account. If it's your first time verifying your number, complete the verification prompts. Your app password will be created and displayed in Step 3. Copy the password to your clipboard and use it when prompted to enter your Office 365 credentials in an external app. If you've previously verified your number, you'll be shown a different verification screen, and you should proceed with verification to log in. Once you are logged in, you can create an app password by clicking the Settings cog located in the upper right menu, and then click Office 365. From here, select Security and Privacy in the menu on the left, and then select Additional Security Verification. Next, choose the Update My Phone Numbers Used for Account Security link. From here, select App Passwords from the top menu, and then choose Create. Add a name to the app password to make it easier to remember which app it will be used with, and then click Next. Copy the password to your clipboard and use it when prompted to enter your Office 365 credentials in an external app. Existing app passwords can also be deleted and recreated from here as well. So, if you're having issues connecting your Office 365 account to an external app, try creating an app password. Thanks for watching.